How to find the Trust Wallet private key. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to find or locate the private key of your Trust Wallet, you have come to the right place. So first and foremost, open your Trust Wallet mobile application. Then after you can log in using your passcode or fingerprint authentication. Now that this is done, tap on the gear icon located at the top left corner, and from here you will see wallets. Select on your wallet by tapping on it, and then you will see all of your wallets listed. From this option, you'll have to click on the three dots right next to the wallet that you wish to check the details for. Now that this is done, you will be prompted to either choose the manual option or Google Drive option to access the private key. Once you have done so and have the private key, ensure to store it securely. Make sure not to share it with anyone. Use it only for accessing and recovering your Trust Wallet. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.